Hello again everyone. In this lesson we are continuing our SUMIFS function. I have a table here, and in the table I have date, salesperson and sales, and I have 3 tasks here. Now in the first task I want to know how much sales did Mark made before 22nd of January. Now I'm writing equal sign SUMIFS, selecting with tab sum range. I'm selecting my sum range. I'm selecting it. Now criteria range, I'm selecting my salesperson. Criteria number 1 is Mark. I am writing in double quotes because it is text. Now criteria number 2 is date. Selecting my dates, all dates. And criteria number 2 is, because it's before 22nd, so I am writing it smaller than 22/01/2019, closing my brackets and pressing enter. As you can see, Mark made 55,697.5 before 22nd of January. Now let's look at our second task. How much sales did Adam made between 9th and 25th? Equal sign SUMIFS, selecting my function, clicking tab sum range. I am selecting my sum range, and criteria range salesperson, and criteria 1 is Adam. Criteria range 2, I'm selecting my dates, and it is bigger than 09/01/2019. And criteria range 3, it is again date, and criteria number 3 is smaller than 25th 2019, and I'm closing my brackets. As you can see, I selected date column twice because it is first date should be bigger than 09, and second it should be smaller than 25. So I'm pressing enter. Now I got a mistake because sum range and criteria ranges are not same, because my sum range is through D22 to D26. I am changing it to 57, clicking enter. As you can see, Adam made 13 and 162. Now in this task I want to know each salesperson's total sales made in January. I am writing equal sign SUMIFS, clicking tab sum range, criteria range. This is criteria range number 1, and criteria 1 is F30. Criteria range number 2 is this, and criteria is, just because it's January, I will write only one criteria smaller than 1st of February. I won't write criteria number 3. That's why I am smaller than 01/02/2019, closing brackets, and pressing enter. As you can see, Mark got 77,212.5. Now, if I drag my formula down, it will show the results, but it will be wrong, because every time, as you can see, when I drag down my formula to tone, my sum range and criteria range changed to D22 to D23, one row below. So I am selecting my sum range and pressing F4 to make this absolute, so it won't change when I drag down my formula. Again for criteria 1 and criteria range number 2. And clicking enter, and again I am dragging down my formula. As you can see, sums did change. Now, that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.